Do you know, regular oil changes can improve your engine's performance? Engine's life to a great extent depends on the selection of a right quality of engine oil and the periodic changing of the engine oil. Hi, my name is Keron and today I'm going to tell you about how you can check engine oil of your Gixxer 150. Firstly, you need to make sure that your motorcycle is on center stand. Now, start the engine and run it on idle speed for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stop the engine and let it cool for another 3 minutes. Once the engine is cooled down, release the center stand and hold the motorcycle straight vertically. And inspect the engine oil through the engine oil level inspection window on the right side of the engine. While checking the engine oil, make sure that the level of oil should be in between L, which indicates lower level, and F, which indicates upper level, line on the inspection window. If the oil level is above the F, upper level, and below the L, the lower level, then it is advised to adjust the oil level between F and L. If the oil is below the L, lower level, add additional oil up to F, upper level. Keep the following things ready while top up. Suzuki recommended XR SAE 10W40 engine oil, a funnel, a beaker, and a piece of clean cloth. Now open the engine oil filler cap and place the funnel and gently pour the engine oil till the level reaches F. Afterwards, close the oil filler cap firmly. If the oil is above the F, upper level, drain some amount of oil to adjust the level. Always remember to wipe up any spilled oil completely. Always make sure that engine oil level is not checked in engine cold condition. Never ever fill oil above full level. See? That's simple. Now you know how to check the engine oil on your own.